All right, well, make sure we stock these in Mayfair and Park Lane. I don't want anyone passing go. Hi, I'm Sam Tucker from Microsoft, and today we're so excited to introduce the all-new Surface Go. The first thing you'll notice about the Go is its smaller 10-inch screen compared to the Pro model. Yeah, that's because we're downsizing our tablets to fit in with people's downsized lives. Yeah, the economy nowadays is as hard as our magnesium casing. Which is to say, we're not actually sure how hard it is. Anyway, we've softened the financial blow by lowering the price and rounding the corners, making it only slightly more heavy and expensive than the iPad. But on one of these platforms, you're strictly limited to the tightly controlled offering of their App Store, Windows S. Luckily, you can turn that off and install what you want and just go nuts with Word and 3 Chrome tabs. All right, I'm being a little cheeky here. 2 Chrome tabs. Yes, with a slower processor than its predecessors, you'll wonder, why did we name it after a fast motion? All right, so you probably won't be able to edit video on the device because, well, we took that out. But the Go's not for that. It's mainly for people who maybe want to write about how they wish they had $100 for the keyboard. Or students who want to take down their notes for $100. One thing that is included are the bezels. And we're proud to say that we have the biggest bezel to other bezel ratio compared to any modern tablet. This is because we needed a full 360-degree notch to house the face detection camera that opens windows when it sees a familiar face, or when God closes a door. We're working on a service pack to fix that. Hey, it's a lot better than the devil's operating system that opens up whenever it sees someone rooting. Finally, if you're just not getting the power you need, try turning on Windows Very S mode that disables certain aspects of Windows, like the AI. Oh, that's very disabled. The new Surface Go. When it comes to innovation, we've barely scratched the surface. Wait, that's a bad thing.
Subscribe today.
Funk it down. All right, we all know that it takes 3 marketing messages for people to actually buy this stuff. So they might have to pass the Go twice to get this $400 computer. I know it's weird. Let's sell it in Piccadilly. No, we're not gonna have free parking.